The beauty scientists, Dr. Kristy Hamilton and Dr. Roy Kim. Real beauty without the hype.
So finally, how do you maintain this look? So you had breast augmentation, you have natural looking breasts. One of the things that I always tell patients, and I know you do as well, is scar maintenance is very important. Scars mature over 6 to 12 months. And even though it may be slightly annoying, over a long period of time, it's very good to use silicone gel to monitor the area, to make sure that it's healing up. So that's much longer than the actual procedure. What are your thoughts on the wearing of a bra after surgery, even though patients don't want to wear a bra?
They have to. I know. After they got especially with the fresh breast implants, they are standing up at attention, they are high and tight, and they have to wear the bra because now, even if you choose a small implant, there's still a new weight on your chest, and we want to keep everything as lifted and high as possible for as long as possible. And that includes patients that we put an internal bra in for, which is a type of temporary mesh that absorbs. But even with that, that's an insurance policy for your investment in your breast enhancement surgery. But you still want to do everything you can to keep everything as high and tight and lifted as possible.
Yes, I fully agree. And even though it may be a slight bummer where you have a great result and you don't want to wear a bra, hey, you don't have to wear a bra. It's just that, yeah, we strongly feel that wearing a bra will help keep them up for a very long period of time.
Yes.
Yeah.
That way you can stave off your having to visit us again as quickly in the future.
Or visit us again for a completely different reason. That's the hope anyway.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us on The Beauty Scientists. Be sure to visit thebeautyscientists.com and learn more about modern beauty and connect with Dr. Hamilton and Dr. Kim.